just dropped off the head at Monte Head Repair. He's gonna take care of it. He said it'll be like maybe a week turnaround, or you know, maybe a few days. Check it out. The shit that goes down in this shop, it's pretty wicked, let me tell you that. He gave us like a little tour. I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty amazed. So I'll tap in soon with some head updates. Yo, what up guys? Tapping in with an update. So pretty much the head is complete. I got it back 2 weeks ago. I was out of state by the time the head was done. It took a little longer than expected, which is all good with me. I'm not tripping on it. I'm in no rush. Adam picked up the head and is down there at the pad. I'm out in North Carolina right now. I'm cooking some dinner. That's what you hear in the background. Check it out. Fucking Chef Boyarelas right here. Got some cauliflower rice boiling. Threw some rosemary in there. Add some pepper. You know, fucking fuego. I want to give a big shout out to my brother Adam and the homie Charlie for always coming through. Whenever I'm out of state and I need some parts, they're the first people I call and they always come in clutch. Charlie shot down to Monte Head Repair. He picked up the head. Adam shot down to Charlie's and picked up the head from him and took it back to the pad. Charlie also did me a solid one of going to 5/8 Industries and picking up the drag coilovers for me. So yeah, the love does not go unnoticed. Thank you guys so much. So I'm gonna be taking off back home just for the weekend, Labor Day weekend. I'm gonna be home. I got some brand new coilovers. They're 5/8 drag spec coilovers. I believe they're 12K front, 18K rear for the spring rate. And I'll be showing you guys what the head looks like as well. It's been a little laggy with the updates, but I'm busy right now. I'm on the road. Just stay tuned. There'll be a video coming soon. Peace.